Hi everybody, welcome back to your Tech Tip of the Week. I'm Laura Simsick, the Marketing Manager for Networks Unlimited. This week I'll be teaching you a couple of hotkeys on your keyboard. So first off, it's really annoying when you accidentally close a tab that you didn't really want to, so it's easy to reopen it. All you do is hit Control, Shift, and T at the same time and it'll reopen the most recently closed tab on your browser. Another really cool thing is you can hit the Windows key and the left, right, or up arrow, and what that does is it'll move your Windows browser screen either from the right, left, or make it a full screen. And the last couple things are just to undo or redo work. So if you make a mistake and you're like, oh, I don't want this, you just hit Control Z and it undoes it. If you want to redo something that you undid, you just hit Control Y. And with that, you've just had your Tech Tip of the Week. Have a great day.